Do you find marketing confusing? You know you want to grow your business and grow your brand, get more customers, but marketing just seems like a never-ending chore with so many different options, and it's hard to know what's right, what's wrong, what's reality. You know, people are full of different opinions on different things. If you'd love to have a clear structure for your marketing, we've got an online workshop that's completely free. We're going to show you how to stand out in a crowded market and how to create a clear one-page marketing plan that works. We've been running these sessions since 2009 from our headquarters here in Sydney. We specialise in working with small business owners at the level where the owner is an owner-operator and you want to see real returns from any time you spend on your marketing. You can register here. I guarantee you'll have things you walk away from the session that you can implement that will make a difference for you right away.
The thing I liked the most about Blast Off was it was 2 hours packed of knowledge that you could just get out and implement it straight away on your business.
The first Blast Off workshop that I joined, it was so powerful to be there for just an hour and a half and to be able to understand the structure of a marketing plan.